Okay, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. White, you can see there's a reflection of light off the water on the stones. Help bring out the colours. Get a bit closer. Okay, these have just been randomly scooped out of a bucket, the good and the bad. Priced according to what's in the deal. That's an interesting little eye there. It might come off, and it looks like there's some better colour underneath here. Knows what that bit's going to bring. Green fire through the middle of that. Purple potch. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers. Good beginner's parcel. Was very cheap.